siqhubeke ukuthi sisoba naye sikhulume naye sazi kabanzi ngaye umusic wakhe kanjalo ke nama event abhiza phezukwawo ngalesikhathi uyazi ukuthi ke uxola imncwango rada umuntu ke osesebenze kakhulukazi ngonyaka 2024 njengoba simbonile ngengoma yakhe esiqeda ukuyidlala ethi kuphile shaya platinum Jesus is coming yashaya gold healing power yashaya gold nayo umzuzu igolide yebo nkosi platinum la ku 101.2 FM but ke angifuna ukugeqa amagula ngimbingelele ngimamukele emsakazweni intokozo FM namhlanje ntambama sisixoli sawubona Siyaphila kakhulu siyajabula kakhulu kusibe nawe namhlanje emsakazweni intokozo FM siyakwazi kakhulu ngomsebenzi yakho siyawazi kakhulu namaculo wakho it's a pleasure ukuthi sibe nawe namhlanje siyathokoza
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthokoze mina kakhulu ngibingelela abalaleli emakhaya ngiyabonga
Nansi ingoma yakho ungukuphila le ngoma ine platinum layo nje elithi yona were you not surprised mabubona izinto ezikanje zenzeka noma kwakuyinto oyitshelile ukuthi njengoba ngiyikhipha
iBhayibheli ithi unto him was able to do exceedingly abundantly
yeah
so I knew God is going to do great things but bengazi ukuthi I will experience the abundantly, the exceedingly like this. So I'm not gonna lie, it's one of those things you look back and you just point it to God with your uNkulunkulu. Wenza ngendlela yakhe.
Yeah.
Wenza ngendlela athanda ngayo. I'm really grateful. Ukuthi kukho konke angikhona ukuthatha udumo. You know, you just give it to God.
Now tell me, you here in Durban, ngiyabona uphithizeli zikhipha yini lekuletha le eThekwini kangaka and maybe kufikisa eThekwini ufike ube busy why
Niyazazi nje thing but yazi ukuthi iThekwini one of the things that I love you just feel at home this is isekhaya la so mase ngikhona you know vele ube ingane feel at home uma umntwana vele ubona ngathi wishe ngathi ungabona wonke umuntu can just so and nabo they make me to feel like that ngathi they want like everyone to just you know so I'm happy my heart is just happy I can't even explain it you know the love that people are giving me it's just overwhelming my heart is really I'm full of gratitude you know ngathi ngabo mhla ka2 no mhla ka3 already
Okay.
I'm really excited, yeah.
Nanka ama-dates amabili oqeda ukwasho njengamanje. I believe abalekile. Zikhiphani kwenzakalani ngomhla ka2, kwenzakalani ngomhla ka3? Tell us.
Ngomhla ka2 no ngomhla ka3 sise ICC for an unusual encounter. We did it last year Carnival City but this year I was like, Yazin, let me take it home. Let me go home.
Yeah.
And navele nangenzela imanga. Nathenga amathikiti on 12 days. In 12 days aphela.
Wow.
And then you are like
sold out affair.
12 days.
Yo.
Yangizwa. Aqede lapho nathi xolo uvulile ilanga lesibili ngalivula. We are on 95% sold out now.
Wow.
So I'm genuinely happy, man, and I know ukuthi on that day, on the second and the third, it's not even about uxoli, but it's about all the kingdom kaNkulunkulu, yabona where uNkulunkulu esebenzisa abantu abasha to just remind everyone ukuthi usayenza imhlolo, usayenza, and imhlolo it's not even sometimes izinto eziphathekayo. He still heals us completely. So he still heals, he still reminds us to walk in love. Love one another, you know, and those are the things that I know that uNkulunkulu wants to redeem and do ngalelo langa. You know, funny enough, when I was praying about it yesterday, he said to me, "Ufuna ubatshela ukuthi behambe ngalawa amandla banawo." In all spheres of their life, in all areas la bakhona, lo umama akabe umama ngalawo amandla enawo, lo uzoqala ibhizinisi akhumbule ukuthi ngeke uzoliqala, lo sacabanga ukuthi ngelanga elithize ngizoyibulala, akhumbule ukuthi akakapheli lutho. And that's all we're here to ngomhla ka3 and 2 uzokwenza, to stand in the gap and appreciate the unusual act of God in our lives. Sizobonga nje kuThixo ukuthi Nkosi siyabonga ukuthi asiyenza impilo sodwa, siyenza nawe.
Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi ungusisi ongasibheka istage oshayayo when it comes to ama live concerts. Now you're coming to Durban, especially ICC, uzobe ukhona. Awusihalisele what to expect. Singambona mhlawumbe uXoli eshaya ingoma zakhe lezi simazi ngazo noma mhlawumbe uzobe yasikhombisa umusic wakho omusha. Yini kumele siyilindele?
Definitely. I'm taking you guys through my journey. It's a tour, Your Unusual Encounter, on my new album, but I've decided to just take you guys through my journey.
Yeah.
How from the first album, from the songs that I've done with other artists, and I have a huge surprise for you guys celebrating Women's Month, and a huge surprise and people that I've featured engizofuna nibabone on the day, you know, but definitely I'll be taking you guys just through my journey, explaining explaining my journey with uNkulunkulu, but in all just hoping that oyi-one nje uyalithola ithemba lokuthi uNkulunkulu usazenza imanga and uNkulunkulu usazozenza imanga.
Yeah, we only have a minute before izindaba. Uqeda ukusho manje ukuthi ilanga lesibili liku 95% njengamanje. Sitshela ukuthi i-event ingumhla ka2 and 3 iqala ngasikhathi sini, amathikithi siwathola kanjani?
Amathikithi ase-web tickets, ne?
Yeah.
Web tickets. Event was Sunday, we're starting exactly at 4. On Saturday, we're starting at 6.
Yeah.
Please go get your tickets. Aseyaphela, angumhla ka2 asephelile already. Angifuni ke uphuthelwe. Ngicela uthengele uma, uthengele u-auntie. Just come with your friends and have a great time in the presence of the Lord.
Ungukuphila baba.
Yes.
Yeah, ne? Ungukuphila baba. So besisho njalo mhla ka2 and 3.
Phela nje akukho kunye.
Sisixole siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakhe emsakazweni Intokozo FM ntambama.
Thank you so much Bidwami, ngiyabonga kakhulu nami.
Thank you so much. Libumbeni ihora lesine ntambama emsakazweni Intokozo FM 101.2 ikhethelo labantu abasha. Besikhuluma naye uXoli Mncwango ongumculi wegospel. Onzima kakhulu because uyabona ukuthi amagolide ama-platinum usiwashaye kakhulu. Nazi indaba zokubumbana kwehora lesine usekhona intombi enhle Soni.